Every day in my life as a university student starts with the gentle sound of my alarm clock at 6:30 a.m. I don't always wake up immediately. Sometimes I press snooze once or twice, but eventually I get out of bed, perform ablution, and offer my Fajr prayer. After that, I feel calm and focused, ready to begin my day. Around 7 a.m., I freshen up and head to the kitchen for a quick breakfast, usually a cup of tea with paratha or bread and eggs. While eating, I often scroll through my phone, checking messages, class updates, or the news. Then I pack my bag, check if I have my notebooks, pens, ID card, and leave for university by 8 a.m. I usually reach the campus before 9 a.m., just in time for my first class. The university campus feels alive in the morning. Students walking around, teachers getting ready, and the sound of morning lectures starting. I attend my classes seriously, taking notes and listening carefully, though sometimes I do get sleepy in long lectures. During breaks, I meet up with friends at our favorite spots, sometimes under a tree, sometimes at the cafeteria. We talk, laugh, and sometimes even discuss classwork or assignments. If I have time, I go to the library to do some reading or review my notes. The library is quiet and it helps me concentrate. By the afternoon, I'm usually a bit tired and hungry. If there's no more class, I grab lunch and return home. If I have labs or tutorials, I stay back and attend those. On some days, I also work on group projects with classmates. University life isn't only about studying, it's also about teamwork, time management, and building friendships. When I reach home in the evening, I relax for a while. Sometimes I lie down, sometimes I scroll through TikTok or YouTube or just listen to music. After a short break, I freshen up, offer my prayers, and then start studying again. I review the day's lessons, do assignments, and prepare for upcoming quizzes or presentations. Dinner is a special time with my family. We sit together, eat, and talk about our day. It's a peaceful moment and helps me feel connected, especially after a long, busy day. After dinner, I might spend some more time revising or planning for tomorrow. Around 11 p.m., I get ready for bed. Before sleeping, I sometimes reflect on the day, what I learned, what I need to improve, and what I look forward to. Then I close my eyes, hoping for another productive and happy day tomorrow.